Now, the formulas will have 2 parts of the active ingredient, so 2 parts FPJ. And by the way, some people talk about fermented fruit juice as FFJ as opposed to FPJ, fermented plant juice. But in reality, they're all fermented plant juices, so I just use FPJ. So you have in your formula 2 parts of the active ingredient, what you want it to do. I'm going for leaf growth, I'm going for ripening fruit, whatever that is. And you've got 2 parts of a vinegar. Now the vinegar needs to be made from brown rice or bananas. It's not just the acidity, it's the ionization factor. And I haven't gone into the research in detail because most of that information is in Japanese and Korean. But Master Cho was very adamant that it shouldn't be things like apple cider vinegar. It should be brown rice vinegar or banana vinegar. So to make brown rice vinegar, you make makgeolli. Makgeolli is Korean rice wine. It's like sake. It's really easy to make. It takes about 5 days. And there's recipes all over the internet on how to make makgeolli. And then you let that sit and that turns naturally into vinegar. The other way, so if you're in a temperate climate, that's probably what you want to use. If you're in a more tropical climate and you have bananas, you can use bananas. In Hawaii, we couldn't use the rice because, remember, we're trying to get everything locally made. We're not wanting to import anything. And there's a rust that grows on rice in Hawaii that makes a toxin that's deadly. And so that's why there's no rice grown in Hawaii. And so we knew we couldn't use brown rice vinegar. And when we were in our advanced training, I hounded Master Cho every day for the week we were there. What do we use? We can't grow rice. How do we be self-sufficient if we can't grow rice? And he finally said that bananas was a suitable substitution. So to make banana vinegar, you make the banana FPJs, so you put bananas in a jar with sugar and you let it ferment, the juice pour off, and you let that juice set, and that turns naturally into vinegar. Both of these can take about 6 months to turn into vinegar. It can happen faster if you let fruit flies in because they carry the acetobacter bacteria. That's the bacteria that turns the fermented alcohols into vinegars. Of course, you want to fish those out, but you can let it inoculate so that you can use the mother of another vinegar to inoculate, get that acetobacter bacteria in there and convert the vinegar faster. So back to our formula. If you're curious what I was saying about how to make a KNF formula, check the link in the description below. The thumbnail says KNF Secrets Revealed. Subscribe to the channel to learn more and check out our free resources on the website, fermentedfarm.com. Peace and aloha.